thunderstorm warning for southern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Ramsey County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Steelfield County in central Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Indiantown Gap, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lincoln's around 3:10 p.m. Tower City, Williamstown, and Clingerstown around 3:20 p.m. Shamokin, Fairview, Ferndale, and Marshallton around 3:30 p.m. Coltman, Mount Carmel, and Noblesgrove around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Edgewood, Grants, Muir, and Irwin. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Danville and Bloomsburg light street exits, specifically from mile markers 225 to 233. This includes Interstate 81 between mile markers 85 and 87, between mile markers 92 and 95, and from mile markers 108 to 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Steelville.